Hello, my people, and welcome back to my channel. You're welcome to Simplified Tech with Ruth. Here, no rush, no pressure. So, today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you 7 beginner mistakes to avoid when using a computer. Number 6 and 7 are very important. In fact, they are things we do subconsciously. So, ensure to stay through to the end of this video in order for you to learn and benefit. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Number 1 mistake here I have on my list is shutting down the wrong way. How many of you know that you have been shutting down your PC the wrong way? If you have been pressing the power button to shut down your PC, then this is wrong. If you long press your power button to shut down your PC, please, this is wrong. You know why? Because you are slowly and gradually damaging the files in your PC. You are also damaging your PC as well. So this is not good. So what's the right way of shutting down your PC? Click on the start menu and shut down your PC like I taught you on my previous video. Alright, number 2 on my list, number 2 mistakes you should avoid is ignoring file organization. Some people dump every file they have on the desktop, and this is bad because it makes your PC looks messy. Now look at the image on your screen right here. See this image, look at the desktop interface of this PC. It looks very bad. You see all the files are just scattered around. It looks so disorganized. Now look at this one. See, they are not orderly. All the files are just placed everywhere and anywhere. So this looks messy. It looks untidy. This doesn't look good at all. Now, dumping every files you have on your PC on your desktop interface, it's just like this, like having an untidy room, just like what you're seeing here. A very unkept room, untidy and dirty room, or an untidy desk. Look at it. So don't do this because you're disorganizing your PC. You make it look messy, and that's not right. So what's the right thing to do? When you have a lot of files, create folders, create different folders, for different type of files, and save them into your folders. This will make your PC interface look nice, neat, and beautiful. Moving on, number 3 mistakes on my list you should avoid is forgetting to save your work. Now, this happens to most of us. Sometimes we assume that our works are saved automatically. Please ensure you check them very well, because this is bad. You might lose hours of work. You spend hours working on something, and at the end of the day, you lose them. That will be very painful. That will be very painful. So ensure you save your work. Click on save, or use the shortcut key Ctrl+S to save your work. Number 4 mistakes you should avoid is unsafe downloads and USB. Please stop downloading random files from the internet. Please. Downloading random files from the internet and also plugging in unknown flash drives can damage your PC as well. You can attract malware and viruses into your PC. That is why it is bad. So when you download from websites you do not trust, you are apparently destroying or damaging your PC, by attracting malwares and viruses. Now this is what I mean. Inserting flash drives to your PC. Flash drives, are primarily used for storing, transferring, and backing up digital data. So, please, you should trust the person you're collecting or receiving a flash drive from before inserting it into your PC to avoid viruses and malwares. Now, these are examples of, some types of flash drives that you can see. Ensure to download from a trusted site, and also ensure to scan your flash drives very well before making use of it. Moving on, number 5 on my list, mistakes you should avoid is overloading the taskbar and startup apps. Please. Now take a look at this image. How does it look to you? Messy. Looks untidy. Now look at the taskbar. From the left to the right, there are a lot of softwares, applications here. This doesn't look good at all. It looks very, very disorganized. So please, you do not have to pin all your apps on your taskbar. Remember what I taught you in my previous videos? Only pin frequently used apps. Apps you frequently make use of, just few of them for easy access and easy reference. Okay, because if you do not do that, if you pin a lot on your taskbar, you are slowing down your PC's performance, and that is not good. So keep the taskbar simple and manage startup apps in the task manager. Beautiful. So moving on, number 6. We got to number 6. So number 6 mistakes you should avoid is misusing sleep mode. Yeah. Some people actually think that sleep mode is the same as shutdown. No, they are quite different from each other. So sleep mode doesn't shut down your PC. It keeps your PC very much open and active, but it just slows down your battery power but your PC is very much open. In fact, even some of the applications or programs you must have, opened are still very much open as well. So they are not the same. Why this is bad is because laptop may drain battery and updates won't install, and power surges can cause damage if left plugged in. Okay, so you should know when and when not to use the sleep mode. Use sleep mode only for short breaks, but shut down when you're done for the day. So if you're stepping out for a while and you're not sure when you're coming back, please shut down your PC. That's better. Now, number 7 on our list. Number 7 mistake we should avoid is don't keep water close to your PC. Now, this is another mistake we tend to do. Do not keep water close to your computer. It might feel harmless, but one little spill can damage your keyboard, can damage your screen, or even completely destroy your computer system. Okay, so always ensure that your workspace is dry and safe. You see this image right here? Please avoid keeping liquid. Whatever liquid, please take it away from the desk or from the table where your laptop or computer system is. This isn't good. Okay, bonus tips. Do not forget to empty your recycle bin regularly in order for you to free up space. Beautiful. So what have we learned today? Today we have learned 7 beginner mistakes to avoid. Number 1, shutting down the wrong way. Please avoid it. Number 2, poor file organization. Number 3, forgetting to save work. 4, keeping updates and antivirus. Number 5, unsafe downloads and USBs. Number 6, sleep mode misuse. Number 7, overloaded taskbars and startup apps. And number 8, keeping water near your PC. If you found these tips helpful and valuable, kindly give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel. And leave your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.